Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how can you fix and solve Twitter likes not showing. As of the recent update on Twitter, you cannot see how many likes a tweet has because the platform has made like private for all users, meaning that only the person who posted the tweet can see who liked it. Now there is no fix for this as it is deliberately designed changed to user privacy as well. You could only see your own likes on your profile, not the likes on other person. Now when you go to open up your Twitter application, what you could do is you could see this is how it's going to look like. Now however, if you're unable to see it, so this is not the issue, then what you could also do is you could also try getting your app updated. So go to the Play Store and on the search box type in Twitter X, and when you go to this page you want to click on update if you have so. After updating, check whether the issue has fixed or not. And similarly, what else you could also do is after that you could also clear cache as well as data. So long press the application, click the I button, after which you want to go to storage and cache, clear cache, and if you clear your storage, this is going to delete the data permanently. Only if you're sure about it, then go through it, or else just leave it as it is. Now likewise, moving on, go ahead and check whether the issue has been solved or not. Similarly, sometimes getting an upgraded version such as getting a premium can give you certain feature which is not available on the free version. So you could also try getting a premium if you want so, and that should be able to help you out as well. So these are some of the basic ways to fix and solve Twitter likes not showing up. However, as mentioned earlier in the very first step, that the like feature has been disabled, which means that you can only see your own likes on the profile and not the likes on other people's. So you could go ahead and follow the steps or contact the support team. They will be able to explain you more about this issue. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.